Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria, and today on Dress Up Play-Dough, I'm going to be showing you how to make the first Disney princess. Can you guess who she is? That's right, it's the one and the only Snow White. Say it with me, Snow White. Here's what you need to get started. You need a doll, blue Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, and a Play-Doh rolling pin and knife. If you don't have either of those though, then that is okay. You can just use a real one, but be sure to ask a parent's permission first. Let's get started. To start making our Snow White, first I'm going to form a base to put on her feet so she can stand up all by herself. Next, roll out some yellow Play-Doh and cut it into a big rectangle. This is going to be her skirt. Then just wrap it around her waist. Onto the shirt. To do that, just roll out some blue Play-Doh and cut it into a smaller rectangle. Now just wrap it around her. Next, we are going to make our Snow White some sleeves. To do that, I just take a small piece of Play-Doh, flatten it out, measure it, and cut it down to size. Then wrap it around her arm and repeat the process with the other. Of course, Snow White has some white collars, right? To do that, I am just going to roll out some white Play-Doh and cut them into small triangles. Then just stick it on her shirt. Now we are going to add the small little red ropes onto her sleeves. To do that, roll out a thin piece of red Play-Doh, then stick 3 on each of her sleeves. Wow, she's really starting to look like Snow White. We just have one more step though, and that is to make her a bow. To do that, roll out some red Play-Doh and cut it into a bow shape. Gently place it on her head. And there you have it, your Snow White. Here is our Snow White. Wow, doesn't she look amazing? Who's your favorite character from the Snow White movie? My favorite character is the dwarf Dopey because we are both incredibly clumsy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm making next time on Dress Up Play-Dough.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.